Hi guys, and welcome back to the Garden Connect Academy. Today we will tackle news items and how to get the most out of them. One of the biggest challenges you have is to keep your website up to date. Every month something interesting is going on in the garden, and keeping up with all these changes is challenging, especially during the busy spring and Christmas season. However, your customers expect you to have an up-to-date website, including information about your events, offers, and what to do in the garden. To help you to keep your website up to date, we provide you with 2 to 3 news items each week. You can use these to keep your customers up to date and make sure your website is never out of date. But before we get started, I've got an important message for you. Our content is shared among many garden centers, so you might be worried about having duplicate content on your website. However, Google does not give you a penalty for duplicate content. It just doesn't rank your news items high on the search results. And that's fine. We're helping you to keep your customers up to date with tips and trends. But if you want to rank well, we've got other services available. Are we 100% sure about this? Yes, we are. And over 350 garden centers prove we're right on this. So let's take a look at how we work. Before the new quarter starts, we'll send you a content calendar. You can give feedback on this calendar so we can tweak it. We're always trying to cover events like Mother's Day, including in-depth gardening tips and information about the latest trends. It's the perfect mix of inspiration, information and how-tos. We've got a team of experienced writers and make sure the content is relevant to your regional area. Now that's out of our way, so let's take a look at how you can use the content we provide. So the first step is to check the news items we're providing to you before they're published on your website. So go to Main Menu, click on News and click on News again. This will open a list of all the news items we provided to you. Today it's the 5th of September. So as you can see, 3 news items are lined up to be published this week, on the 7th, the 10th and the 12th. If you click on the View icon, which is the first one, you can check the news item and read it. After reading the news item, you can decide to remove the item if it's not relevant to your garden center. Just go back to the previous page by clicking on Cancel and click on the Delete icon, which is the third one. If you do that, the news item will be removed before it's published. If you want to know what items we provide and when, make sure you're on the list of newsletter notifications. So as you see, having our content saves you a lot of time. And in the next video, we're going to look at how you can edit the news items we provide to you before they go live.